before the sun every single day. He gave me a home and gave me my name. He sang Robert Earl and sweet baby James. Yeah, he built a life on Amazing Grace. I was born to break every single rule, with a reckless heart, sometimes a fool. I was hell to raise, but he kept his cool. Showed me love will always follow through. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know it, I'm my father's son. Got a steady job, he's a steady man, and over 30 years with a wedding band. I bet a wild child wasn't in his plans, but every part of him's a part of who I am. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know it, I'm my father's son. Yeah, I know that I'm my father's son. Monuments built in his name, no magazines that will spread his fame. But when a good man lives, he leaves awake, and in 1,000 years it will still remain. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know it, I'm my father's son. Yeah, I know it, I'm my father's son. No matter where I may have run, I'm proud to be my father's son.
Eyes like forever, you won't forget her. Just one glance makes time run away. Smile like the sunset, I'll never regret. Every second feels like a day. See, I've been worn down, but it feels so right now. As I said, stay, I've been waiting for you. As I said, stay, won't you wait for me too? Yeah. This heart's been broken, you wouldn't know it. I'm good at hiding the scars. My eyes deceive me, I can't believe that she has a hold of my heart. See, I've been worn down, but it feels so right now. As I said,